Blessings and respect. What go on?
How you do?
I'm doing great indeed.
I love what you did on the Marcus Garvey Black History celebration. So, just dry out. You know it go.
Not a problem. My journey continue. They are the greatness. Represent Spanish Town, represent Jamaica, represent the Caribbean, represent our people all over the world. You get what I say?
Africa, right?
Precisely. Must. That's a must because, that's how it all started.
Yes, indeed. And I want to say respect to you and thank you for, such a quick call. And so it's African History Month, and as we close African History Month, we know African history is every day. But we want to flank the family, and we know that you have something for us. Tri-State New York, his name is Amaziyah.
Amaziyah the Great.
Amaziyah the Great.
Precisely.
Tri-State, listen up. Go ahead, my brother.
Legends leaving us. Last September when I looked, it was the passing of reggae legend Toots. A few weeks ago, Daddy Uri passed. R.I.P. another icon embedded in our hearts. Yesterday after I got the news, reggae icon Bonuela died. Today I'm still not in a happy mood. Bob, Andy, Miss Lou, you inspired many. Michael Sharp, you're my general. You're still loved by many. When we look overseas, Kobe and DMX gone. The legends are leaving us, our really are gone. Bob Marley, Garnet Silk and Dennis Brown. Honestly, I still wish you were around because some of them treat the business like a circus, too much clowns. Globally, loved ones are grieving, feeling hurt. Even while I'm speaking, some weeping, the legends are leaving earth. Powerful black men were put to death. Call it whatever you want, this is a total mess. If it's not sickness, it's murder, go on, feel free to check. I'm not cold, I speak bold until my last breath. Chadwick Boseman gone too soon, I'm still saying Wakanda forever. My people be wise, realize we are stronger together. Babylon the one who rise them tell lies and act like them clever. Some saying black lives matter. Let's see how it go get better. But how can it be better when they divided and ignorant? Distraction, confusion, no progression with ignorance. You're too busy on TikTok watching y'all that comedy jokes. I see you twerking on IG, not paying attention to the posts I wrote. We are powerful together. All we need is the support. Seek knowledge, increase the vocabulary, for life is no joke. Be careful of the foods you consume because poisonous stuff in what they promote. Who created all these diseases and viruses and claim there's no antidote? The great legends are gone and I'm feeling provoked. This is no joke. My quote will make people stay woke. Are the legends really living us or are they being killed? I'm somewhat bewildered. It's just a question I'm asking still. As my mind navigated in evade my thoughts, why evil men reign longer and good one die early? This concern me, and I won't lie. Marcus Garvey, Jamaica's first national hero, one of the world's greatest man. Uniting black people all over for Africa was his greatest plan. New story revealed. He met his demise after suffering a stroke. I think they took him out purposely, and this is no joke. It's obvious they want to get rid of every powerful black man. I will not sit and be silent. My spoken words explode like bombs. I wish somebody would confess about the death of Dr. Sebi, the man who actually cured many diseases, including AIDS, and them things I'm crazy. On February 21st, 1965, Malcolm X assassinated. April 4th, 68 in the States, Martin Luther King Jr. assassinated. Tupac, Biggie, Nipsey murdered. You think that's coincidence? Once you have power with the people, them delete you, and that's evident. The legends are leaving us, only God know why. Michael Jackson, Whitney Houston, and Prince, me still rate them till the day I die. Aliyah was so young when she lost her life in the plane crash, the whole world cry. Gandhi was a great man too, assassinated. Why? I could not complete the list of legends and not mentioning King Selassie. Rest in peace, you great legends. Work well done. Our ancestors fought long for us to get freedom. Educate yourselves. I'll not sit and be silent. Me no mute, I'm not dumb. Our journey continues perpetually like the rise of the sun. Blessings and respect.
Give thanks, my brother, Amaziyah.
Blessings and respect. Pleasure.
We're talking about the legends that have passed. And we hold them high. We want to keep them present, right?
That's right.
You talk about His Majesty. You talk about the great Marcus Amaziyah Garvey. And I want you to tell Tri-State about the movie.
The movie? Oh.
You don't have a movie?
Yes. I have, there is one I did Easter last year. It's called Easter Bun. And then the part 2 is Searching for Keisha. You get me? It's like a whole comedic type of reality yard vibe thing. And, you know, I done some shots the other day when I was in Jamaica, and I did some recently in New York. So they can look out for part 3. I'm still in the editing process.
Awesome. And she mentioned the book. What's the name of the book again?
The name of the book, it's called Don't Cry. It's available for purchase on Amazon. And Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland.
Craig A. Kirkland. It's C-A-R-I-G.
Yes, A. And then full stop, Kirkland.
Okay.
Yeah.
Of course, Tri-State New York, his name is Amaziyah. And of course, he's an author. He's a poet. He's a filmmaker. There's so much things. There's, lots of wordologies going on. And of course, in honor, and of course, as we respect each other and we say African History Month each and every day, I want to thank you. And of course, I want to stay in touch with you. I'd love to get a copy of that book, and we can probably take another look at Amaziyah out of Spanish Town. De La Vega Massive. Blessed love.
Maximum respect.
Give thanks. You want to say something to Tri-State as you go? Because you talk about bully for thousands of people. And listen to that,
Yeah, well, me just want to big up the entire Tri-State area. You get what I say? Because I've got people all over. So maximum respect and enough love, go support this because it's a positive move. It's something for our youth, but I classified it as an adult book because mature stuff are in it. It's not all just righteousness. It's my personal experience. It's relationship. It's motivation. It's Black history. It's domestic violence. It's the kids. It's the family. So it's really a great book that we could, learn something from or can relate to or can support or can be motivated by. So, just support the move. Follow me on Instagram at Precisely Great, Instagram and Twitter. I am on TikTok at Artist Craig Kirkland. So, maximum respect.
Thank you so much, Amaziyah.
And one final, sorry about that. One final thing. I want to say a special big respect to Shirley and Jazz and the whole entire UNIA for making the whole movements possible. And, all the fans, much love, much respect.
Yes, Mama Adwa over there in Lawrence. I want to big her up indeed. And it was a beautiful meeting, and you certainly topped the cake. Thank you, Amaziyah. Want to bless you up this morning. How long you be in town?
I will be in around for a bit because I just got here.
All right. Thank you so much. And, of course, we remember the greats that we lost, Brother Amaziyah. And pick up that book, family. The book is called Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. It's available on Amazon. A blessed love, my Lord.
Respect. Bless up.
Greetings, Tri-State. This is Micheboo. The Insider has moved to a new time. Start your Sunday off with me at midnight. The Sunday morning serenade. Every Sunday from midnight.
Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amaziyah, the great collections. We have whole heap of merchandise. I'm going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talking about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow Amaziyah, the great collection on IG and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amaziyah, the great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.